So how is this voice, guys? Is it clear?
Clear, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Clear, sir.
Oh, sometimes I'm losing the connection with this client. I'm not sure. Anyway, we are going to discuss about Oracle applications software. Okay. As the full form of ERP is here, it is an enterprise resource planning. If you want to know what is your ERP version, which your client is already implemented. So usually will join to the company, right? So in that company, if you want to check like which is the version, you can simply go to Toad here. This is the Toad software, which is used to connect with the database. Click on this Toad. Here is the place. Select star from FND product groups. You can see here 1220. So this is the version. In the industry, if you wanted to know which version is there right now, so you can simply check like this, Oracle Apps latest version. So right now, Oracle Apps latest version is, we can see someone is mentioned here, Oracle Apps Artfolio is released in 2007, but release 1 is also, release 1 introduced in 1987. But right now, the latest e-business suite version it is, I'll show you somewhere, 12 to 13. This is the latest version, and November month only they released here. You can go through all these features, but you may need to know all this. Right now, not needed. Go to application here. This is the statement. So this is the first step I told you. First step is what it is to check application version. This is the statement we have to give. Now, this application is designed based on the database. The database is Oracle database. There may be a third-party databases we may get from third-party databases, but Oracle is tightly integrated with the Oracle ERP. So that if you want to check it, which is the version, so select star from V dollar version. This is another table. Everywhere same tables only will use. So the right now 12 it is. You can see 12C also, 12C, 21C, 19C. Those are all other databases. You can just execute this. 12C. Is another software it is. Copy this. To check database version. So this is the first task you have to do once you join to the project. Okay. Now, second point is why we use Oracle apps. This is the second point. Why we use Oracle apps is, let's say there is a company. Company name is Dell. Dell people, what they will do, they will sell the laptops to the customers. So their business is what it is, selling laptops to customers. Now, before selling a laptop, what they need to do? They need to purchase equipment. Okay, equipments means like inside of a laptop, like motherboard or keyboard or whatever, Wi-Fi devices kind of thing. So they need to purchase the goods. For that, one module is required. That is a purchase order module. And customers will purchase the goods from our company after making a laptops ready. So at that time, there is one more module, that is order management. Order management means like when are you getting an order, or if you wanted any um, goods to return to the customer, if there is a damage, customer has to return to you. So these kind of things, actually canceling order, booking orders, this all comes under, there is another module, it is OEM module. Now laptops you will keep into one godown. Okay, that is called as a inventory. This is another module, inventory module. Now you are selling laptops to the customer, so they will give you amount. It may be at a time or it may be in the installments. So that comes under receivables. Then as you are making payment here, as you are purchasing the goods, you will have to make a payment to the suppliers. Payment to suppliers. So in this case, it is the module name is AP module. AP is account payable, payables. So simply in short, it is a AP module. And receivables, it is an account receivable, it is in the short form, it is AR module. Now Dell company will announce like profits, losses for every quarter wise, and yearly revenue, how much it is. They need to check how much they're investing, how much they're getting. So that comes under general ledger. So the short form, it is GL module. Module means the related information we are keeping at one place. And then these Dell people will maintain employees to purchase the goods, to sell the goods, to transfer the goods. Simply we can say Dell own employees. So for them, they need to make a salaries, or they need to maintain their genders, their social security numbers, their Aadhaar cards. So their first name, last name, married, unmarried, divorced, everything we need to maintain. So that's called as a HRMS. HRMS stands for Human Resource Management. HRMS service, you can say. Now, salaries and all will be maintained under payroll. So like this, for every need, there is a module. So in our course, we are going to discuss about these many modules: PO, AP, OM, inventory, RGL. These are all the modules we are going to discuss. HRMS, payroll, these are all separate track. In our course, we'll discuss about SCM, that's an supply chain management. And one more is finance. So finance or finance, whatever. Under finance, AP, ER, GL. Under SCM, PO, inventory, OM. That's it. So these modules only we are going to discuss about, like in our course. So slowly, we'll get to know what all this. Now, the question is why we use Oracle applications. Again, I'm coming to the question. Why we use Oracle apps is, in the organization, whatever the activity it is, It may be a purchasing, it may be a selling, or it may be transferring goods or storing goods. All the things will maintain into a single software that's an Oracle applications. So it's called as an e-business suite also, e-business suite or e-binge or OEBS, Oracle e-business suite. These are all the different terminologies. So some people are simply saying it is an EBS. That's it. E-business suite it is. Short form is EBS. Okay. Now the answer for this Oracle applications is what it is. Why we use Oracle apps is simply in one line I can say to enter the company's data. It may be purchasing data, selling data, whatever it is. It is just a data storage software and it will be ready-made already. So you don't need to do many things. So just 5% or 10% modifications you have to do. That too mostly copy paste work only. It will be a one-time learning, guys. We have to focus properly. Now, third point, I'm entering into the application straight away. Okay. Then I should sitting on Word document or notepad, it will not give you a good clarity. Third point is I am going to discuss about order to cash cycle. Straight away, I'm entering into the syllabus, guys. Order to cash cycle, why it is required is here. Dell company is selling laptops to customers. Okay, just one line you remember. At Dell side, some employees will be there. Okay, they will go to the warehouse and after that they will pack the goods and they will ship it to the customer. This is the business. That flow is called as an order to cash. The very first step what we do is, very first step, we'll get an order, sales order from customers. Who is customer here? For example, customer is, let's say, our institute. Our institute is a customer. Or party also, we'll call it a party also. Party may be a person or organization or group of people. From IT mentor, we are approaching to the Dell saying that I needed 10 laptops for my candidates to practice or for my employees to work. So how it will start here is, very first time at Dell side, there will be some employees. We'll call it as an end users. So these are all not a software developers, not a software programmers. They are the Dell employees. They may be a graduate, postgraduate, or whoever the employees. So end users, what is their duty is they will enter the data. Who is the customer? Where is he located? What he wanted? This kind of thing. So order entry, how it will be done in the application is I'll show you. So application you can open like this simply. You can click on this application. This is the URL. Let's say this URL you don't have. You should not wait for DB or whoever it is. There is another table is there here. The table name is ICX parameters. So here is the place, there is a URL. Open this application, just paste over here, enter. And username is what it is. Operations. Welcome. Click on alert manager. So I just clicked one random application, okay. This is the way it will open. So once it is open, If you want to create your own user to save the transactions, you can simply go to System Administrator, Security, User Define. So this is where we can create a user, but right now I'm not telling the user creation. You practice with the operations user only because it is killing the time in the initial phase. Okay. So first step is what it is, guys. Order entry, right? We are talking about order entry. How they will enter the data is in one module. I mentioned here somewhere module. This module we are talking about. Order management. Order management. Order returns, sales orders. Your customer I'm entering over here. If it is not there in the list, it will allow you to create all the like this. These are all we need to enter. Where is he located? Where is the organization located? Country, state, postal code, all this. These are all time waste, guys. So usually don't go with a new customer. That's what I'm advising you. You can choose this list of values. See, here is the place. To enter a partial value means I don't know anything. I am just entering AD. Okay, let's see. Are there any customer starts with AD? Okay, you can take this advanced network devices. Okay, or I'm just selecting AT&T Universal Card. This is the customer name. It is the moment you enter a customer, it is automatically populating all these details. That's a good for us actually. That
Sir, I have one doubt.
Yeah.
Sir, when we are putting the, like username, like, can you go to that screen?
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, so here we are putting the customer detail, AT&T. So AT&T is a company name, right? So we have to put company name or we have to put the client name.
Yeah. So here the point is, as I mentioned in this place. So AT&T, for example, IT Mentor, I'm not taking. Okay. So IT Mentor,
Yes.
as I took an example, but right now AT&T. AT&T may be a party. Party means group of people or group of companies, one entity, or it may be a organization also. So right now, it's not only a person, it's an organization here. So this is an organization. So this AT&T Universal Card is a company. To this company, through Vision Operations, we are selling. So I took example as a Dell here, but Dell I don't want to use. Let's say Vision Operations. Now you will get a very good clarity. Vision Operations is what it is. It is the company. This company is selling laptop to the customer. Who is the customer here? AT&T. Who is the supplier here? Vision Operations. From Vision Operations is our own company. You just assume. Okay. Now what we are doing? We are selling a laptop to the customer. Once we get a order from a customer, our representative, he's our employee. Okay. He will enter into the system. Simply like Amazon. Okay. So Amazon or Flipkart and all. Initially, they will enter to where we need to deliver the goods, what type of the order it is, who is the sales representative. These are all we will enter like this. Simply, it is a data entry software.
So this is end user is like the company person, the first person who will put. It's not our job, right?
This is end user's job. So right now, what I am telling is end
End user.
user's duty I am telling, but our job, it's related to it only. I'll tell you that.
Okay.
Sometimes for testing also you need to enter the data. See, data entry anyway, you should know both the side of the coins. Okay. So you need to know how to enter the data. The data However, they entered here the same way, it is connected to other data, we can say, other tables or other forms kind of thing. So we must know here. We cannot skip it, saying that it is not our duty, okay? But usually in the companies, who will enter this data is end users.
Okay, sir.
But as a developer, we should know both. Then only we can work because it gives us the functionality here.
Done, sir. Done. Doubt is clear. Thank you.
Yeah. Now go to line items here. Here, order item. So order item is, as of now, I am entering a laptop. Laptop I am selling. So this is which laptop it is. We have Apple laptop, Dell laptop, HP laptop. So many laptops are there. So let's say I am selling here Dell laptop. Now I am entering a quantity is 3. So this 3 UOM. UOM stands for unit of measurement. How we measure a laptop is in the form of these laptops will measure in the form of each laptop is how much it is. So we cannot measure laptop as a box or as a dozen laptop how much. No. Each laptop is how much it is. So that each I am entering. Unit price. Unit price is here. Let's say by default it has given 15, but I'm entering 1500, let's say. Tab. Save. So this is the common error people will get here. Okay. You read this error, the item specified is invalid or does not exist in the warehouse you specified. What they are saying is, whatever the item you are selecting, the item is not there in the warehouse. So how can you deliver it? For example, if you go to order information tab, it's not allowing. So whenever it is not allowing, what we can do, you can clear the record. See, clear. That's it. Now it will easily allow you to go. So warehouse M1. In the warehouse M1, this item is does not exist. Whatever the item I selected. So the step is what you have to do is you need to create an item also. Item. The item where can you create is as I mentioned just before. These are all related to inventory module. Okay. Now inventory is another module. I need to switch here. Here switching. So there is a computer symbol here. Like looks like computer only. Switch responsibility. Inventory. Here items. Master items. Warehouse 1 we am selecting. This called as our company master organization. So I'm creating a laptop name. Let's say yes sir. You are familiar with the Dell only. Dell laptop touch screen. TS means touch screen. What is its configuration here? You can enter anything like i7 processor, SSD hard disk kind of thing. Now simply save. This item, if you want to use it into order management, we have to enable some attributes. Order management. Say this item must be a shippable item. If you don't check this checkbox, you will not be able to deliver the laptops at all. You will stuck. And if you don't check this, customer cannot purchase our item. So you must enable this attributes. Then save. If you don't want to enable manually, there is a good option also there. That is tools, copy from. Yeah, purchase item. Apply. Done. Template got implemented. This is also good option here. Instead of enabling manually, that is the best option. And if you want to access this item in other organization, because master organization, we should not do operations. We have to go to tools, organization assignment. So I'm giving just simply giving access to other organization. You scroll down. Say, scrolling down is it will kill your time. Instead of that, you can press F11 here, F11. And at the bottom, you can see enter a query. Query means like I want to see a warehouse M1. And what is saying here, press at the bottom, you read this, guys. Press Control F11 to execute. Control F11. Assign. Save. Okay. So this is the way we can create an item. What you can do in your practice, first step you do it this. Item creation is the first step you can do before creating a sales order, guys. That's better. Item creation is what it is, like save. Take this. Name. Server is very slow. Tomorrow I'll connect to another server. Sorry guys, I lost the connection. I'm in village actually. So take this item. Item creation we are talking about here. Navigation here. Navigation. The practice also, I'll give clear-cut notes, nothing to worry, but still. Navigation is what it is. Navigator, inventory vision operations. Inventory vision operations. Then after that, navigation is what is items and master items. I'm just revising. Items, master items. So if you want to create again item, what you have to do? Let's say mobile, okay, Redmi. Item may be anything, okay. So this Redmi mobile, if you want to sell it to the customer, we have to do it here from copy from purchase template. Apply. Why this template is required here is to enable some attributes automatically. If you want to access this into other organization, that's an F11, then M1, control F11. Check this checkbox. Save. Okay. Now, after creating an item, what I did copy from template. That's the one thing. Another one is organization assignment. Assignment. Two steps additionally I have done after creating an item. Is that clear, guys? Guys, are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
So what I did as of now, Only one step. In our entire last 45 minutes, we did only item creation. So once we create an item, Redmi, it will appear into order management. So now how to go to order management, guys? I need to switch. Okay. For switching, there is a responsibility here. Switch responsibility. Order management. Order returns, sales orders. So this is called as a navigation. Here also you can see. So second step is here what it is. In O2C it is the first step. So that's an order entry. Navigation is what it is. Order return, sales order. Order returns, sales orders. Here only two steps we need to do. One is select the customer, enter, go to line items and choose your Redmi mobile. And quantity is 3 quantity. Price 15 it is showing. I'll tell you from where we can populate the price. Let's say 1500. Save. So this item we created as well as we created a sales order also. The second step is what it is in the O2C cycle, booking order. Booking. For booking, there is a book order button.
Sir, so sorry, order entry, that means
Yeah.
this order is for AT&T, right?
Order is for
AT&T for our customer.
exactly. AT&T is buying a Redmi mobile from our company.
Yes, so they are buying 3 Redmi mobiles
Right.
and the
Correct.
unit price and everything. And these order where it will show, sir, it will show in our data, right?
Yeah, data I'll show you right away. So where it will show is go to help and record history. This is the table OE order headers. It's fixed. Even if we get a job also in the company also same table. That's why people will survive easily in the Oracle. So this is the table. Okay. In this table, your order is what it is. You can go to order number, examine order number, column. Your order number is what it is. This is the order number. That's it. Control enter, which is used to execute. Control enter. This is your order.
Okay.
So if I create a new order again, to create a new order, there is a plus symbol here, plus. Again, same story. AT&T tab, you can tab out. Line items. Your item is again Redmi. Quantity is only 5. Price is here $30. Save. Now the order number is created new because it's changed here. So same order number here. See, table name is not changing, column name is not changing, only data is changing here. Enter. This is your data. So if you want to see data, press tab here. Or drag here, that's better. So when this data got created, everything you can see here. See, on 22nd, the data got created here. On this so and so time, so and so minutes, so and so seconds. So this is called as a back end, and this is called as a front end. Okay. So front end and back end together we should work because we are developers, right? So usually sometimes they will ask you to disable this book button, and sometimes this is yellow color. Make it gray color or white color, or populate salesperson as a default value. These are all you should have a control. So job is easy, but a lot of functionalities you need to learn here.
So, sir, order is book or order is not book yet.
Right. Now, if you click on a book order, okay,
Hmm.
it is saying here you don't have a stock.
Okay.
On hand quantity fails to satisfy a reservation. Order book, it is booked, but you don't have a stock. It is clearly saying here, saying that on hand quantity is not there. So now what you can do as a second step,
You need to go inventory and create
Right,
a.
exactly. On hand quantity we have to create. On hand quantity is just a stock, nothing else. So where
Mm,
we can create a on hand quantity is
inventory.
closing these guys like F4. F4.
Mm,
F4 is used to close the form. Go to inventory. Inventory, then transactions, miscellaneous transaction, because we are adding something here to warehouse M1. Don't select B1, B2, whatever is appearing here. You have to select M1 only in this case, because we are using M1 here. Miscellaneous receipt, transaction lines, your Redmi mobile, your company godown will have so many other subrooms. One is for damaged goods, restricted goods, scrap items kind of thing. So I am selecting a store area, store sub inventory. Quantity is here 400 and miscellaneous tab, save here. So whatever the quantity which we created, we can verify over here on hand availability, on hand quantity. Your item. The moment you give an item, it will give you the stock which is available. Right now, 400 quantity. If you want to add another 400, so what we have to do, tell me? Transactions, miscellaneous transaction.
mm,
So you practice 3-4 times, you can remember all this. It's not a big deal. So what should I select here in the sub inventory, guys? Stores, correct?
oh, yes.
Quantity is 400. And what should I do here? Click on this NOV, press M and then tab. Okay, save. So where to check the quantity? On hand availability, on
Yes.
hand quantity, your item number, find here. So 800. So it got added, correct?
Mm,
So second step is also over, guys. And third also I'll make it, okay? If you want to set a default price as $1,000, so that is add item to the price list. This is the third step for us. So overall step number 1, 2 is also over. 3. For pricing, another responsibility you have to go. See, to switch to the responsibility, very easy. Just this is the option under a tools menu. This computer symbol is there. Go to Oracle Pricing Manager. There are 2 responsibilities, guys. This one and this one. Go with this global price list setup, corporate, control F11. Item number. See, instead of typing all this, Shift F5 also we can give. Shift F5. The previous row field, it will be populated automatically. That is a good thing actually. Product value is what it is, Redmi. Okay, Redmi. Description. I think we have not given that tools copy from kind of thing. So anyway, I'll take this Dell. No entries. What is there in it? Okay, just cancel it. Item, Shift F5. Okay, only limited values it is showing here. Okay, we'll take this Asus laptop only. Then price is here $1,000. Save. the effective date for the price list overlap. The 20. It's already added that SS laptop. Yeah, someone is added. Okay. So what we can do, we can either end date that. This is the way we can end date it. End date to yesterday. Today onwards, we can add another thing. So SS. But 22nd January onwards, I want to use this. So So there is no error. So you know what was the error is here? We have assigned two different prices. That's why system got into confusion. I just ended the previous one. Now I gave a new price. New price is what is $1,000. Earlier it was different. Anyway, third step is also over, guys. Now if you go and take that Asus laptop, go to order management, order returns, sales orders, AT&T, line items. This is the Redmi. I'm not using this, remember. So this 1,000, whatever you gave, how it came is, it is because of add item to the price list. Save. If you check availability, how much stock is there? See right now, 0 quantity. It will become again problem. Okay, if you don't have a stock, how can you deliver the goods? Now, how to add the quantity? Again, same second step we have to go. Second step is what it is, on-hand quantity creation, correct? So how to create an on-hand quantity, guys? Can you tell me which module, which responsibility?
Inventory, sir.
You can go to only Tabassum is replying. How about others, guys? Open up. Feel free, okay? It's just like a friendly discussion. Inventory. Navigation. Can someone tell me other than Tabassum? Guys, unmute and answer me.
Miscellaneous transaction.
On hand, sir. On hand. Okay.
No, on hand is to check, but now I'm creating, right? Transactions, miscellaneous transaction. Which warehouse I need to select? M1.
M1.
And here is a place. Miscellaneous.
Receipt.
Which option I need to select, guys?
Miscellaneous receipts.
Miscellaneous receipt.
Issue or receipt? Which one?
Receipt.
Receipt.
Right, correct. Transaction lines. Then item. Item is SS laptop. SS sub inventory.
Store, sir. Store.
Stores.
Stores. Quantity. How much quantity you wanted to add? 400 quantity. This stock, okay, not only 400, any quantity you can take. And here,
Miscellaneous.
miscellaneous. Just press M and tab, it will take automatically. So the reason is that value is already there in this list. See, this is a list. Save. Okay. And after creating a stock, where to go? On hand availability, on hand quantity. And here is the place. Check the stock. Stock, whatever you created, it will appear over here. Okay. So overall, 3 steps already completed. Item creation, on-hand quantity creation, adding item to the price list. Now order entry and booking we'll do, and we'll stop the session today because almost 1 hour means you people may not concentrate more. We'll finish practicals today only. Then later we'll go with the second class. I'll just give a gap little, then we'll continue with the practice. TNT, line items, quantities, free quantity. How much quantity we have is here only availability option we will see. We have a 400 quantity. Earlier we have seen 0 here. If you have a on-hand quantity 0, we cannot proceed further. Remember, guys. Save and then book the order. Once you book it, you will see here status is booked. And line items it is awaiting shipping. Awaiting shipping. Then after that, take this order number. You need to pick the goods from the warehouse, shipping, release sales order, release sales order. This is a navigation. And rule is standard here. Go to inventory. And auto packing means here from address to address, all this it will pick it up. Execute. Click on OK. So once you pick the goods, it will submit couple of programs here. These are all the programs. Pick slip, shipping exception, packing. What is the use of these programs is if you open, you will get to know. It will give you the history. It will give you the data, like from which warehouse you picked up and what is the item, and then what is the delivery number, sales order number, all this. Now, this, whatever we picked as of now from the warehouse, we have to ship it to the customer. So how to ship it to the customer is here. In the meantime, if you want to know the status of this particular order, you can find out like this. Go to line items. The status is picked here, see. So how many statuses you have seen as of now here? Earlier, what was the status?
Awaiting shipping.
Yes, perfect. Awaiting shipping. Prior to that, it is entered. Entered, awaiting shipping, picked. Now it will become a shipped here if I ship the goods. So go to navigation here. Shipping transactions. Whatever I told as of now, guys, for you to practice, it will take half day. For some people will take 1 day also. So don't feel that I'm not able to do kind of thing. Delivery was successfully confirmed. It is closed here. If you go and check, it will become a shipped here. So how to verify the order is F11, control F11. Line items. You can see. Still it is picked only. The reason is it has submitted a couple of programs here. Yeah, now it's completed. If you requery means again query F11. Control F11. Go to line items, shipped here. So this is where I'm stopping, guys. As of now, what we did is pick release, shipping. I have not touched more on a table side because everyone is new here. You should know like the application usage. If speed comes in the practice, then if I tell tables and joins, you can easily understand. In the next class, I'll cover all those. Don't worry. So till now, 7 steps completed, guys. These are all the prerequisites before creating a sales order. It's not part of a sales order cycle. Overall, you need to finish 7 steps, 3 prerequisites and 4 actual steps. Okay. I'm stopping at this moment. If you have any questions, let me know.
Where do this practice?
Sorry,
I do this practice for this.
your voice is not clear, buddy. You take out earphones and tell me.
Where I do the practice
Okay. So for practice, you are saying, okay. So for practice, like I'll give one person number. In the group, I'll put it. Or here itself, I'll put it. You can make a note. Okay, after ending this meeting, I'll send directly to the WhatsApp. Okay. So immediately you have to take it, guys, for practice. Otherwise, you'll not be able to practice at all. So you need to purchase that particular remote connection. They may charge some amount, maybe 500, 800, not sure. You directly deal with them. They are outsiders, not from our institute.
Yes, sir.
So, guys, any doubts? Thanks for your patience. We need to start a practice also after a few minutes, maybe after half an hour or 1 hour, I'm not sure. Meantime, you take the connection, remote connection. Any doubts?
Sir, this is Vijay.
Yes, Vijay.
Sir, can you send this video?
Yeah, definitely. I'll make it. I'll upload it to a drive here. One second, I'll just show you. So this is where batches. I'll keep here.
Okay.
Your batch is available here.
Okay, sir.
Total courses. In this, I'll upload. Here is
Okay.
those classes. Now only I'll upload and I'll give you the access. This is our own institute app. Okay. Our app it is. Every video will be available in this only. I'm not giving a Google Drive or something. You must have access to this. I need to give here. Portal access. So whoever not having portal access, let me know. Okay. Oracle apps, technical. I'm just putting a start date also. I'm thinking to finish this batch quickly. So your cooperation is also needed, guys. Yeah, there are some OAF classes are there. Okay. For some people to make habituate, I allowed them to listen OAF classes. So again, if you want to listen OAF next batch, you can listen. Okay. Focus on this folder only. Only this folder. Oracle Apps technical folder. Fine. And you can open through your laptop also if I upload any video over here. So you can easily play.
Sir, can you share the link of this app?
Yes. I need to add over here, Tapassum. There are some contacts. I need to add here your contact. Okay, I'll add anyway after this. Guys, any more doubts? Okay, thank you. I'm ending the session now.